Welcome to the Cat Diaries, where we learn about cats. As you know, as dolls are very attracted to cats, like this one. Angie. Cats are our greatest enemies, but for me, they're my friends. Right, little cat boy? Wah! Okay, let's do the karate moves. Let's do the karate moves. Ha! Yeah! Ah! Thinking that. Yeah. Give me your red fire. Come on. Give me. Yeah. Give me your best shot. Give me your best shot. Good. I know one. What are you doing to my hair? Ooh, good. Mostly the target of cats and us dolls are the hair because you know what? I don't know. You just like it because it's yarny and hairy. Like now. He's taking me. He's taking me. No, no, no! I'm going to cut oblivion. Huwag na, hanap ako makalmasan ka. This happens to a girl who's alive and kicking. Not for long. Yeah. Yeah. That's your best shot. Okay. Now, it's gonna get brutal now, so... But, where is it? Goodbye.